Hi guys, today I'll show you how to solve this algebra problem from Waterloo's grade 8 Gauss contest. Question number 21 from year 2006 reads that Natalie has some numbers of quarters, dimes, and nickels. The ratio of the number of quarters to dimes to nickels is 9 to 3 to 1. The total value of these coins is $18.2. How many coins does Natalie have? Well, this question is actually one of those classic examples where it would be easier if you do not set your unknown variable x to be the ultimate quantity that the question is asking, which is the total number of coins. And the reason is that this question outlines the relationships among the numbers of coins using a ratio. And we know that ratios are more about the proportionalities of individual components rather than the total size. This ratio is not telling us that there will be exactly 1 nickel, 3 dimes, and 9 quarters. It is saying that for every portion of nickels, we would have 3 portions of dimes and 9 portions of quarters. In other words, if there were 2 nickels, then we would expect 6 dimes and 18 quarters. In general, we can say that if there are x nickels, then I should expect 3x dimes and 9x quarters. Therefore, the total number of coins is simply 9x plus 3x plus x, which is 13x. And if I can find out the value of x, then I can solve this problem. Now let's shift our attention from the number of coins to the value of coins, because this is another important relationship given by the question. And we discussed the value of coins last because it depends on the number of coins. If each nickel is worth $0.05, then x nickels together they are worth 0.05 times x dollars, or 0.05x dollars. Each dime is worth $0.1, and together with 3x dimes, they're worth 0.1 times 3x dollars. Similarly, each quarter is worth $0.25. 9x quarters in total, they are worth 0.25 times 9x dollars. These are the values of the nickels, dimes, and quarters respectively. And according to the question, we know that when you sum them together, they must equal to 18.2. So let's throw that into an equation. 18.2 is equal to 0.05x, the value of the nickels, plus 0.1 times 3x, the value of the dimes, plus 0.25 times 9x, which is the value of the quarters. Next, we can simplify the coefficients by dropping the brackets. So 0.1 times 3 gives you 0.3, 0.25 times 9 gives you 2.25, and 0.05x plus 0.3x plus 2.25x together, that's 2.6x when you collect the like terms. And we can solve that x must be equal to 7. Therefore, the total number of coins is 13x, so we substitute 7 in for the x. We have 7 times 13, and the result is 91 coins in total.